We are going to cream some corn in a skillet. So let's get started. I have pre-chopped some green onions and I am pre-grating some white cheddar. All right, we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let this melt. As soon as this melts, we're going to get the flour. And then we're going to add in the flour. Okay, the butter. We're ready to put the flour in. Sprinkle it in here. So it forms a roux. Basically gonna just get the flour taste out. So that's 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna just get one more in there. So just cook it for about 1 minute. And then we're going to slowly be pouring in the heavy cream. All right, looks like it's ready. This is one of my favorite southern dishes growing up in the South. So we're just going to whisk this until it is smooth. Get all of the lumps out here. So you're going to have to really get that whisk going like that to have gotten it to this stage. And now it's time to add in the corn. And it's not the time of year for fresh corn where I live. Well, the northern hemisphere. So we do not have fresh corn. It's the winter. And we are going for extra creamy here. So we're going to add in some cream cheese. And it's up to you how much cream cheese you want to add in. Cut in probably just do 4 tablespoons of it. Would be 3 to 4 tablespoons is probably plenty to get it extra creamy. I think I want to break this up a little bit more. And now is the time to add in our spices, our seasoning. So you're going to want to salt and pepper it to your taste. This is melting nicely. I'll give it just a second. It would be a good idea to even double this recipe. And we're going to add in about a teaspoon of sugar, or 2. You can add 2. I think I'll add 2. A teaspoon and a half. Super duper creamy. Almost looks soupy. But this is going to be simmering, so let's get the spices. So we're going to add some pepper and a little bit of salt. Just a touch of salt for my house. And some pepper. So we're going to bring this down to a simmer. In 5 to 10 minutes will be good. I'm going to go ahead and get the cheese and the chives and put that on the top. This will go excellent with any poultry dish. Or even by itself. All right. You're going to let that simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. If you'd like to show some support to the channel, hit that thumbs up button and show some love.